EAS Scenario 1, Gacha Heat. Episode 1. Wave 1. The beginning.
This message is being broadcast by the Department of Defense of the Republic. At 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple unidentified objects were confirmed to have entered Earth's atmosphere. It is speculated that these objects are of extraterrestrial origin. The broadcast will quiet at this time for your safety. Continue to carry out the following instructions.
Minutes later, the purge of the Gacha. Here's these unidentified objects began to guns or crowbars and stuff.
At LensRentals.com, photographers rent the right gear for the job 7 days a week, and Lens Rentals chooses FedEx.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
But then this wasn't a purge. This was an outbreak that turned people into the lone predators. And the rest of them were just the soldiers, some kind of heat soldiers, I guess, with weapons like pistols, I think. Then a contagious just very hot virus triggered a contagious disease warning.
Transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania State Police Department. An unidentified virus strain is rapidly spreading across the state of Pennsylvania. The first reports of the virus are believed to have been in State College. The virus has since spread throughout the state of Pennsylvania. It is believed that it will spread to adjacent states within the next 12 hours. Symptoms of this virus include initial nausea and vomiting, blurred vision, loss of muscle control, and unconsciousness. also reporting that some of the affected persons are turning into zombie-like creatures. At any time, they may start causing massive damage to the area. Because this is an airborne virus, authorities recommend that the following actions should be taken by all members of the public. Stay indoors, if at all possible. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Wear breathing masks to prevent catching the virus. Have enough food and water supplies for sheltering for 1 to 2 weeks. If you catch this virus and show symptoms of turning into a zombie, you will be quarantined in your home for an indefinite period of time. Any residents not in the state of Pennsylvania hearing this message should also take these precautionary actions. If the virus continues to spread, these actions will be taken by your governments as well. Most importantly, stay safe in this situation. Unruly behavior will not be tolerated. You will be arrested.
Oh my god, this is very hot. Oh my god, this is so hot. Holy, what's the temperature today? What? 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 Oh, 300 degrees? And this is the hot one. God. My God. Russian Evil is gonna turn into a zombie right now because of this. Dallas, Texas, 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Excessive heat warning now in effect until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Thursday. The National Weather Service of Phoenix, Arizona has issued an excessive heat warning for all South Arizona effective
Phoenix, Arizona.
until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. What? For the first excessive heat warning, dangerously hot conditions with temperatures 101 to 106. For the second excessive heat warning, dangerously hot conditions with temperatures 102 to 108 expected. Where portions of South Central Arizona. When? Until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Thursday. Impacts. High heat risk. Overexposure can cause heat cramps and heat exhaustion to develop and, without intervention, can lead to heat stroke. Recommended actions. An excessive heat warning means that a period of very hot temperatures, even by local standards, will occur. Actions should be taken to lessen the impact of the extreme heat. Stay indoors and seek air-conditioned buildings. Drink water, more than usual, and avoid dehydrating alcoholic, sugary, or caffeinated drinks. Dress for the heat, lightweight and light-colored clothing. Eat small meals and eat more often. Monitor those with a higher vulnerability to heat, including small children. Check in on family, friends, and neighbors, especially the elderly. If engaging in outdoor activity, take longer and more frequent breaks and avoid the hottest parts of the day. Never leave kids or pets unattended in cars. Public cooling shelters are available in some areas. Consult county officials for more details, which may include guidance for proper social distancing measures. Recognize the signs and symptoms of heat-related illness. Early signs include thirst and muscle cramps. Heat exhaustion may include cool, moist, pale skin, headache, dizziness, weakness or exhaustion, nausea. The most serious illness is heat stroke, which may include vomiting, confusion, throbbing headache, decreased alertness or loss of consciousness, high body temperature above 105 F, hot, dry skin, rapid, weak pulse, rapid, shallow breathing, seizures. Heat stroke can be deadly. Treat as an emergency and call 911. Continue to monitor NWS forecasts, broadcast outlets, and local government for updates.
Thank you for watching. Part 2 coming soon.